I'm John Ryder, Senior Sales Rep with DuraTech Industries. I'd like to briefly discuss Near-Field Communication Tags, or NFC tags for short. Near-Field Communication Tags store small amounts of information that can be passed to a smartphone. There are no wires or apps. You strategically place your smartphone very near the NFC tag, about 3/4 of an inch, which then prompts your phone to take action. But it's not just the fact that these tags can be programmed to access data with your phone that is interesting. It's that DuraTech Industries can integrate them into a variety of overlays, decals, and even in-mold decorated products that is truly exciting. So today, I'm going to talk a bit about ways we can use NFC tags and products that DuraTech produces that integrates them. Here's some custom ways to use NFC tags. You can open a website, transfer a business card, you can create a new email, launch an application, send a text, dial a telephone number, create a Bluetooth connection, create a Wi-Fi connection, load a geolocation, or you can let your customers access your warranty and owner's manual. You can ensure that your product instructions and warranty information will never be separated from the physical product. Give customers detailed user instructions. An NFC tag can take consumers to a step-by-step video with detailed instructions. It can connect people to loyalty programs. With just one tap, people can go directly to enrollment and begin to earn rewards. It can link people to related products, reorder, or even service reminders. A tag on your product can link customers to a site where they can order refills, keep up to date on maintenance, or discover related products. You can offer premium product authentication. With one tap, a customer can be assured that they have an authentic product and then register their product with you. NFC tags have advantages over QR codes. QR codes are optical and need you to open an app to use. If a QR code is scratched or dirty, it is difficult to read. NFC tags are available in various sizes, shapes, and memory. Now here are the benefits for the OEM. You can increase brand loyalty. You can add communication touchpoints with the consumer. The programmed information on an NFC tag can enrich your customer's experience. And URL pages can be updated and changed to add new content. The NFC tag works with current Android phones, as well as iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR or newer. An app is required for the iPhone 7, 8, and 10. NFC Reader and iPhone is free on the App Store. So here's DuraTech's value proposition. DuraTech can integrate your NFC requirements into printed overlays, decals, and in-mold decorated products. DuraTech can program NFC tags from low to high volume, including logical variable data. DuraTech validates the information on every NFC tag that we produce. So when it comes to programming and integrating NFC tags into your overlays, your decals, and even your in-mold decorated products, remember DuraTech Industries.